Hi guys, most business owners think Google My Business is a set and forget it profile. You add your phone number, upload a few photos, wait for the phone to ring. Then you look at your competitor, the one with fewer reviews and worse website, and they are sitting at number one while you are buried on the page two. Why? Because they found the gaps in the local algorithm that you are missing. I am Ila. This is Pivot with Ila. And I'm going to show you how to stop guessing and start using competitor categories and their intelligence to work for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to spy on the hidden categories your competitors are using to steal your leads and customers. And more importantly, how you can able to close the gap in under 10 minutes. So just keep watching it because your Google business page is your most valuable real estate on the internet for a local business. Before that, I just want to give you a few insights about, why every business need a Google My Business page. About 42% of people who perform a local search click on the top three results. When someone searches for a service near me, they are ready to buy now. And number third, by the end of this video, you won't just a better profile. You will have a profile that is strategically optimized to trigger Google's relevance filter for keywords you didn't even know that you can rank for, because it can boost your profile from bottom to top in just few days. So before we dive into how to do the optimization, how to improve your profile, I want to show you what not to do, because Google My Business page is a very sensitive area. I've seen a lot of my customers got banned because they are urged into doing a lot of unnecessary stuff, buying fake Google My Business pages and change the names. Those things will not be good for you in the long run, and you'll get suspended or banned totally out of making your Google My Business page. So as like most people watch a tutorial like this and go straight in and update their profile, you just have your own thought, understand better, then work on your Google My Business. So from my own experience from past clients, if you do these three things, Google will suspend your account and getting it back is a nightmare for sure. Number one, do not keyword stuff your business name. Like if your business name is London Plumbing, don't change your title as Best Fast Cheap Plumbing Repair London, because Google is smart. Like it will flag you for spammy naming and kill your rankings instantly. Number two, do not use category stuffing. Adding 20 categories and secondary categories thinking it makes you more visible actually makes you less relevant. Google gets confused about what you actually do and your ranking drops across the board. Number three, if you don't have physical presence in your area you're targeting, don't try to fit with the fake addresses, because Google cross-reference your location with government records, satellite data, and if they can't catch you with fake address, your business is gone from the map forever. So please be careful about it. And now that we have cleared the field and you know how to stay safe, let's jump into my screen and show you, the exact tool I use to peel back the curtain on number one ranked business in any city. So here's the tool that I use for my clients optimize the Google My Business pages. It's called GMB Everywhere. You can get it from Google Chrome Store, and it has a well number of reviews, and also it is updated to the latest. So you can trust and use this tool for to audit your Google My Business page and optimize and gather your competitors, categories, details, and other intelligence as well. Also, you can able to check the Google My Business page ranking as well. And also, they have a few free AI tools that you can able to use it for your generating your GMB description generator and category finder, GMB Service Finder. And if you want to respond to your reviews, they have a separate AI tool as well here. And if you want to create a Q&A automatically, this one help as well. So all these tools are free, and you can create an account here for a free, and they have a pricing as well, like $30 a month per month. And if you're going to buy it for yearly version, it's $15, 50% of uh down from the original price. So I have free version right now, and that's enough for me because I'm not using daily basis. So uh this is a simple tool usually, and it can help you with to view the competitor category and understand and scan local businesses. If you search a term, any term, it can able to find you the list of competitors in this category and the service available and the number of services they have and the location advantage and other data as well. And they have AI tools that can help you as well. And one of the major thing is category finder, which I already mentioned. It is very important that you make sure update your category of business properly, because you should not add anything in this category section in your GMB page. So you can able to find the relevant categories, and based on the data and comparing your competitors and related service suggestions, you can able to include as well. So these categories, here's a sample I can show you. Yeah, see, these are the category finder tool, which you can able to find it here. So once you added the Google Chrome Store add-on, and if you go to Google Gmap, you just search anything like dentist near me, and it will show you the list of businesses in my area. And usually these data will not be shown in the original list, but this tool adds all these details like categories, basic audit, and AI tools that they have, and rank checker, reviews analysis, and create a post for your Google My Business. So all these tools are included with it. So it is very highly useful one. So if I click on find more categories, it will go to the tool area, and it will suggest you the major categories with a number of search per month. And this is very important because the number of searches can help you boost your pages to the top. If you add a very low number of search category, then you won't be in the top position. So try to check your categories data, your competitors data, and add these categories. You can copy it from here, and also you can compare with Google Trends. If you click it, and all these categories go to Google Trends, and it will show you the how it is surging. So if there is a dental clinic in Google Trends, if you put it, the number of searches, number of trends increase the past few months, it can be shown there. So it is very helpful and simple to use. Also, related categories, this is also very helpful for you to add secondary categories in the Google My Business profile. And you can also add like services. See, if you are in dental clinic, you can use routine teeth cleaning, dental checkup, tooth extraction, dental filling, emergency dental care, root canal, and all these stuff. So these are all very useful data. It will take a lot of time if you do it manually, but this tool give it all for free. So it's simple, easy to do it. It's very quick to use it as well. All you have to do is just copy and paste it here in your Google My Business page, and that's it. And the next thing I want to show you is that rank checker. So since you're a dentist, I'm going to search rank checker dentist in my area, rank check. So it will show the number of the top person who's ranking for this category, dentist. So the dentist who's from, yeah, this one who's ranking number one, and they have like 132 reviews. The thing I found is that, the reviews and the ranking is not all correlated. You can have 500,000 reviews, but you won't still rank at the top of Google My Business page, because the category section gives you more edge than the reviews. So you have to make sure that you optimize your Google My Business page categories properly, so you will rank better, because you reviews are like considered for like third or fourth uh, section of ranking. So you need to understand that, make sure your on page optimization very important. So these are the list you can able to check, and you can find, go and check how they optimized it, and check their keywords and everything. Based on that, you can also add these their data in your site as well. And other than that, this is tool has more options, like they give you GMB review request link. If you want get a review from your customer, they can able to create a template and ask for them as well. And other business at same address, other businesses using the same website. Also, this tool gives you the another thing, right? Like see, once again. So if I click the basic audit and it goes to the audit page, this is very important. So see, you can see that the basic audit details are given here, and you see the what all the information they have it in their profile, and the links, all the reviews links, product links, everything, external map directories, where all other the same business where all they have listed here, and this is good. And external audit, and they have a Google Ads as well, trends category, and all these details are very valuable, because you won't find it in anywhere you know they give you everything in a single page. You won't find it anywhere, right? So all the SEO details you can able to copy, everything you can able to use it. And yeah, this is a very important tool that you can able to use it for your growing your local business. And please let me know if you have any other suggestion, and do you have any feedback for me. I'm happy to help. I will sure post more on this, and more guides that can able to help you rank in locally and also internationally. And thank you for your support, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.